Hello everyone, hope you're all well. Today's video is another tool review video. So I'm going to be reviewing these clamps that I got for Christmas. Yeah, so they're pretty good. They're going to be handy for the new year because I'll be needing them for the new year. But they open like that. They got the spring there, and they got like that. So that's the big one. And you got the small one here. It's basically the same but smaller. You got the spring there. And you got the medium sized one, which is the same, and the spring there. You got the other medium one, which is the spring there. You've got the other big one and the spring there, and you've got the final little one, spring there. That's it for this video. There will be more videos to come, so stay tuned and I'll catch you later.